Routers allow you to choose the path the data will take to reach the destination. These are equipment that have multiple network maps, each of which is connected to a different network. A routing protocol is a set of processes, algorithms, and messages that allow you to exchange information about different routes. And all this information is stored in what is called a routing table. It is in this table that routers learn the best routes to a destination. This information on different routes is shared dynamically between routers. That is, when a router receives information on a new route, or simply a change of route, then it will update its own routing table, and it will share this information with other routers. This way, all routers have very accurate routing tables that are dynamically updated. All routing protocols have the same purpose. It's about learning remote networks and adapting quickly as soon as there's a change in topology. And to get there, well, it all depends on the routing protocol algorithm and these characteristics. All this work to calculate the routes uses the memory and the processor of the router. And what's more, when routers share their information on different routes, well, it consumes bandwidth. This can cause problems on links that don't have a large flow. For example, the routing protocols EIGRP and OSPF are very, very talkative and work hard to have the best routing table. That is, the table as up-to-date as possible. Among the dynamic routing protocols, we have two large families that are IGP and EGP. We're going to focus on the internal routing protocols. Among them, there are two different types, those with distance vectors and those with link state. Distance vector routing protocols allow routing tables to be built without any overall vision of the network. The term vector comes from the fact that the protocol manipulates tables to other nodes in the network. And the word distance is the number of jumps that allow it to reach other routers. IGRP and RIP are distance vector routing protocols. Which uses a more efficient algorithm? Here, routers build their routing tables depending on the cost of the various links. OSPF and IS-IS are link state routing protocols. They have the advantage of having a very rapid convergence. A exception for the proprietary Cisco protocol is EIGRP. The latter is rather classified as an advanced distance vector routing protocol. It can also be called hybrid because it takes up the operating concepts of those with a link state. A routing protocol allows you to exchange information about different networks. They allow you to choose the best path for each network. And all this information is stored in the routing table of each router. Routing protocols allow dynamic routing, i.e. automated routing, to be implemented, unlike static routing, which requires manual configuration of different routes. There are two different environments in routing protocols. There are those internal to an autonomous system and those who are external to it. An autonomous system is a collective part of the same group. The OSPF, RIP, IS-IS, and EIGRP protocols are IGP. That is, they're used between equipment in the same administrative area, and therefore in the same AS, the autonomous system. And the BGP protocol is the only protocol that allows routing information to be exchanged between different autonomous systems. For example, the link between our home network and that of our internet service provider is in BGP. The main goal of a routing protocol is to keep your routing table up to date to avoid network loops. So there are two families of routing protocol, those with distance vectors and those with a link state. Distance vector means that the roads are exchanged between routers indicating direction and distance. Distance is what is called the metric. For example, the RIP protocol. This is the number of routers to cross before reaching the destination. And the word vector, that translates as direction, corresponds to where to send the package. That is, to which interfaces or to which router. RIP and EIGRP protocols are part of the family of distance vector routing protocols. OSPF is a link state protocol. Here, the approach is completely different and takes place in two stages. First, each router will map the network by exchanging information on the different links between them. And then they will define which paths to use to go to each destination.